Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to organize tasks in OneNote. Here's a step guide to help you organize tasks in OneNote. First, open the OneNote app on your mobile device. Sign in with your Microsoft account if you haven't already. On the notebook list, choose the notebook where you want to manage tasks. Then create or open a section dedicated to tasks. For example, to do or projects. Tap the plus page button to add a new page for tasks. Give the page a clear title like weekly tasks or work checklist. Tap the blank area and start typing your first tasks. Highlight the task text, then tap the checkbox icon in the toolbar to turn it into a to-do item. Repeat this process for each task you want to add. Use bullet points or indents to create subtasks under main tasks for better organization. Reorder tasks by long pressing and dragging text to the position you want. Check off tasks as you complete them. Then OneNote automatically keeps them updated in sync across devices. Pro tip: OneNote's tasks checkboxes sync with Microsoft To Do so you can track your tasks across both apps. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.